Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Godzilla Among Us character, but this time he's going to be breathing fire. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video with me today. Now to start off with our Among Us Godzilla breathing fire, I'm going to start with the mouth. I'm going to begin right here and we're going to make a line that's going to curve down. And then it's going to come over like this. Then I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up here. And then I want to make the face shield. So I'm going to start down here and I'm going to draw a line. It's going to curve up. It's going to come around like this, and then we're going to bring it back to here. Now I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to jump over here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to curve in here. Then I'm going to add another little line right here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come over. I want to make a line that goes up for a toe. I'm going to draw another one that goes over and up. And one more that goes over, and I'm going to come up here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes over. And then right here I'm going to go down, and I'm going to make that foot the same way. I'm going to go over and up for a toe. One more here, and then one more here. And then I'm going to go up and bring it to here. Now, starting here, I want to add a tail, so I'm going to draw a line. It's going to curve up, and then it's just going to come right back here. Starting up here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down, and then up and down. We have one more here. Add one that does kind of the same thing. Then I'm going to add a couple more little pointy ones onto the tail. Now starting here, I'm going to add some little pointy teeth. I'm going to add some here, and then I'm going to add some right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw the fire. So I'm just going to make some kind of zigzag, jagged lines for some fire. And I'm going to come down, and I'm going to try to make it a little different on the other side. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us Godzilla skin breathing fire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.